Honey,
Yep.
do you know what today is?
Nope.
Today is our anniversary. And I brought you a gift.
Really?
Yeah. Happy anniversary.
And I got you a gift.
I love me some Twinkies. I love me some Twinkies. I love me some Twinkies. Period. I love me some Twinkies. Thank you. Thank you. Happy anniversary.